I got this Pixel 6 recently, about 2 weeks ago, and since then I was checking some proper cases, and after that I got this current case Doughboy from Amazon. This one is good. It has good protection for whole body and also camera surface. But what happened, the thickness of the phone got increased, so that thing I didn't like much, so I kept searching for a good case. Then later I found that a company named Later Case is offering a carbon fiber cases for Pixel 6, and when I checked the price, it's saying 45 USD without the shipping. And since I'm living in Japan now, I believe shipping cost will charge around 10 to 20 dollar, so it will be like 60 to 65 USD for this case only. So after that I thought to check on AliExpress. Then I found this case, YTF carbon fiber case, and this one looks similar to the leather case, and the price is only $19, and also it is offering free shipping. And I ordered this thing on 6th of July, and today is 15th of July. Actually on 15 it is 12:20, so 14th of July this package arrived. So it took like only 8 days, about a week. I really liked how fast was it. I ordered this case, that is Doughboy, and it is offering a good protection. The only issue I mentioned, that the thickness. Sometimes I go for outing, go for maybe barbecue, and go for sports. That time this Doughboy case will be good one, but day-to-day life, going to office or just using the phone for day-to-day purpose, this is bit thick, so that's why I ordered this carbon fiber case. Let's have a look inside the package and let me check how is it. So I'm going to use a scissor. Okay, so the case, it came with carbon fiber looking packaging. Let's open this thing, and here it is. So this is the very first time I'm holding something that is carbon fiber. Finishing quality is good. So previously carbon fiber used to be a very expensive thing, and recently for the mass production we can purchase carbon fiber stops in a reasonable price. Okay, let's try this case. So there were two different options were available. One was a big hole, this one, and the other one was the small hole, like the Doughboy one. So since I already have this thing for the good protection cover, so I will keep it. Sometime I will use it, but I'm planning to use this one mostly. These parts are very sensitive, I think, very thin borders are there, so better to be careful while I'm pressing the cover inside. Okay, now it is attached, and now the phone is very slim. It is only 0.6 mm, so it feels really good on hand. So since it is not covering, as you can see, the edges, so I have already a glass protector attached on top of it, so I believe this will protect the screen itself. So if the phone falls somehow like this way, but it will protect the screen, because from the case there won't be much protection as this is a thin cover. Although this is a very hard kind of thing, this is made of carbon fiber, but it won't protect the phone like this doughboy case. So I really recommend to have one hard case while you are doing some outing. Maybe have one stylish one like this one for your daily use. Since the buttons are open and the case is properly cut up this part, there is no issue of pressing the buttons. And here there is a cut for microphone, a similar way, the cut for the speaker and the USB-C port, as well as the other part. So basically there are two different variants for this case, so let me show you. As you can see, there are two different options. One is, it is saying as big hole, and another one is fine hole. So what is the difference is, the fine hole will have the camera protection as well, but this part, but in a big hole the camera protection is not there. Yeah, there is a thin bar raised to protect this part, but that's it. So better to be careful. You don't want to drop off your phone, and if this part got hit somewhere, I believe it will be cracked easily. But I saw online kind of protector is available for this part as well. If you want, you can have one. So I can see many people bought different kind of cases, but I checked online. I didn't find a good big hole kind of cover, so I was a bit worried, but now it looks really nice. I'm very much happy about it, since I paid only $19 for a carbon fiber case, and since I already have the fine hole case, so it is totally fine for me. I will sometimes switch to this one. So before purchasing directly the carbon fiber case, I did some research online, and then I found this article published by Pitaka. Pitaka is a company who make such kind of phone cases. So let's check the main points. It is mentioning that the carbon fiber case block your phone's signal dramatically. So why is that? Let's check. I'm going to mention in layman's term. It is mentioning that when a phone is wrapped with a carbon fiber phone case or a metal phone case, your signal will decrease dramatically because the carbon fiber absorb the radio waves. So Wi-Fi, GPS and cellular will be affected. Then what will be the solution in this case? The solution is you go for the Aramid fiber case that meets all the requirements. Then I checked if the YTF one is made of Aramid fiber or not, and it is clearly mentioning that it is made of Aramid fiber. This is saying a new type of hard, flexible, high strength, high temperature resistant material widely used in military fields such as body armor, tank armor, aerospace, etc. And it is clearly mentioning does not affect wireless charging, GPS and mobile phone signals. Hand polished and polished to create a light and durable mobile phone case. It is also mentioning that feel comfortable, Aramid fiber, lightweight design and safety protection. So let's try the wireless charging. Here I am using an Anchor power stand and there is no issue. I hope the video helped you to understand the difference between carbon fiber case and Aramid fiber cases. If you have any question or concern, please feel free to write down in the comments section. Till then, take care and goodbye.